Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to force restart in iPhone. Okay, for iPhone 8X, 11, 12, 13 and 14 and later. Okay, then first option, quickly press and release the volume up button, and second option, quickly press and release the volume down button. Okay, and press third option, press and hold the side power button until you see the Apple logo, then release. That's all. Force restart in iPhone. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.